Hi there. In order to make an image with a transparent background, follow these steps. First, select an image with a background that isn't too messy. This helps make accurate selections of your image. I can make a manual selection with something like the brush tool, or I can use the subject selection, such as the one listed here in the AI Actions menu. With my subject selected, I can adjust it by using the brush tool. So I'm going to zoom in and simply brush black onto my mask. Just a note that I want my mask selected, so be sure to click this one right here before I start brushing. When I do this, it actually hides the yellow background from view. Okay, so my selection is complete. Now what I can do is I can save this file itself. So I'm going to save this file as either an ACDSee file or a PNG file. Both of these file types will preserve the transparent background, but a PNG file will flatten all of the layers. Now, if I open up a different file, I can use the PNG I just created. All I need to do is click this icon right here, add a new file as a layer, and select my PNG image. When placed, you can see that the background is omitted. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.